All right, everyone, welcome to another episode of Trade Like a Sniper, where I utilize a top-down analysis approach to frame a trade on a lower time frame. So I'm going to walk you through all of this. And the type of analysis and concepts I use are ICT's concepts, along with my own discoveries. So I thought today I'll do a high liquidity forex pair, such as let's do the British pound, and I'll start on not too far back in time, and hopefully find something on the weekly, and yeah, frame a trade on an even lower time frame. Okay, so I'll go to the monthly first. So to not be biased, GBPUSD, I'll take forex.com's data because I don't have charts on that. So let's crunch up the chart, and I will go back not too far. Let's say 1 year. Okay, here. Okay, so I'm going to go to the weekly now and try and frame a trade based on the gap. No gaps, great. Okay, let's see what we can find. So it looks like we're reaching this higher time frame PD array. I'm just looking for a gap. I'm not going to analyze the high monthly like I normally would. Okay, we're already at quite a premium. Let's see, 1 week. Our entire range is here. We have a weekly order block in there. So I'm going to go down to the daily. So we get a fast drop here from the daily. Inversion pair value gap. Seems like it. And where would we target? At least down here. Let's see what price can give us. Okay. All right, so I'm going to clean up this inversion gap. We have that as a one confluence. Okay. Or I'll just make it a bit lighter. And we have this here, very beautiful breaker with a CB order block. Okay, a lot of confluence now. A lot of confluence. The thing is, this is a weekly busy, so we could have taken along into here, but I want our weekly to come possibly a bit lower. But let's check the lower time frames, such as the 4-hour. Okay, very fast reversal back up in here. Let's check the hourly. So we have a 4-hour gap in here, which we could target. We'll put this green as a target. Let's say 35. And we can measure this range too. Equilibrium being one day down here with that wick there. So this is the daily CB. I think we can come deeper. Let's go to the hourly. All right. So we have an hourly CB here. We just traded into. And I'm going to highlight this area here as a breaker block, order block on the 1 hour. Okay. So watch. Where are we targeting? This 4-hour down there. So we came into this hourly here. Just gonna put it like a different color, blue. And we came into this hourly to hourly. And then we can also measure this range. Okay, so we can go to the 15-minute now. So we came into the hourly. Now we're in this 15-minute. Go to the 5-minute. All right, can we go higher? Let's just check the kill zones. Is this not the one? This one. So in New York, on a Friday, it's going to be the end of the week soon. I think the week is going to close now. Okay, so we stepped up into here. Into this one. Do we come a bit higher? Okay. This is Sunday's trading. Okay. Sunday came into here. I want to see if we close below this. Okay, bravo. So I want us to come somewhere into there. Stop loss where? For now. In above this high, swing high. If we can go a bit higher later, I can look to possibly take the short down into here. So this is where we targeting at the moment. And refine our entry, maybe in this order block here on the 5-minute, more on a discount. So we have a 4R here. Do we take a retracement? Do we get tagged in? Yeah. So there's also a gap here. We took out liquidity there. So we may actually be going for, okay. All right, so at this point, I'm going to move my stop here. I'll move it later. I'll say like this is the refined stop. Okay, move my stop there. So what's this in here? This is an hourly. So we came into the hourly. Can we get rejected again? Okay, wow. We went into this gap and then starts making higher highs. So this one managed. So we move our stop here. Reduce our risk, I guess, by exposure by half. Okay, so let's go back to the hourly to have a look. So we came into there again. 45 minutes, hourly. 30 minutes, 20 minutes, 15. Okay, interesting. This is the Asian range, right? Okay, we took out the Asian range at 12 o'clock. So let me go look for entry in 5 minutes time frame. There's a small gap there. We could come into there. So came into here, London. Then we closed down rather fast. So we didn't have an opportunity. So let's take a trade here. And where we're targeting, same target. We can even target a bit lower. This one's out already. All right. Okay. Target hit. So we lost one. I guess lost half an R. And we made 2R. So yeah, like I said, this is using kill zones as well, intraday profiles. So all we did was use the weekly to frame a trade. Okay, the whole weekly. Okay, so we were expecting price came into here. Then we went to the daily. And yeah, we had this gap. Okay, so price came into there. From the daily, what were we expecting? Even if price wanted to go higher, went to the 4-hour. On the daily, we're expecting to take the retracement into the 4-hour here. Even if it used this daily as an inversion gap. Went to the 1-hour. We used this over here. Overall made a bigger structure. It came up one more time before dropping into this 4-hour. And yeah, that was our trade. And you can see, even though price eventually moved back to the upside because this is a weekly. This was a weekly BISI. That's how we can frame our trades. Just work our way down like that. So let me cancel this so we can have a look. This was cancel this. Over here, this is the trade. You can see it went significantly higher. Many trades you could have taken just by having a top-down analysis approach. So I have my bias, and then on the lower time frames, I'll build my narrative, such as the story, and then I'll go into my entries on the 5, 15 minute. Yeah. So pretty straightforward. I can't find it anymore, so no problem. Yeah, that's it for this episode. Till next time, take care.